family, I'm Charmx, and I want to thank you guys as we hit 50,000 family members, like freaking 3 weeks ago, and I should have made this video then, but I ordered this on Amazon, and it didn't get here until yesterday. So with that being said, today we're going to be doing the Boozled challenge. I don't really know how the challenge works, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the world's hardest tongue twister, and every time I fail, I'm going to eat a bean. Now my goal is to get it 10 times in a row. And with that being said, let's begin. So the world's hardest tongue twister is Pad Kid Poured Curd Pulled Cod. I'm gonna fail this so bad. Now I do have a bucket, just in case, I get sick or whatever. But hopefully that doesn't happen. And let's do this. Alright, attempt 1. Pad Kid Poured Curd Okay. Alright, let's do this. There we go. What do we get? Chocolate pudding or canned dog food? Wonderful. This is it, you guys. Chocolate pudding or canned dog food? I'm really nervous. I don't want it. I just brushed my teeth like 10 minutes ago, so I don't know why. What? Did I get the wrong flavor? I got the wrong flavor. It's licorice. Okay. I was wondering why it didn't taste good or bad. This is either canned dog food or chocolate pudding. I was wondering what the flavor was. Okay. Chocolate pudding. It tastes really good. Attempt 2 at the tongue twister. Pad Kid Poured Curd Cod Afraid. Stunner. Lime or lawn clippings. Here we go. This is lawn clippings. I actually like it. It's not bad. It does taste a little bit weird. Pad Kid Poured Curd Cod. Well, I got it once at least. There we go. What is this? Peach or barf? People say this is one of the worst, supposedly, so here goes nothing. Oh, that's peach. Hell yeah! Alright, here we go again. Pad Kid Poured took Fred off. Alright, so we got raw eggs or buttered popcorn. I've got all the good ones so far. Alright, here we go. Raw eggs or buttered popcorn? Popcorn. I've done all the good ones. Alright, here we go again. Pad Kid Poured Curd Cod, Pad Kid Poured Curd Cod, Pad Kid Poured Curd. Should I even keep doing this, or should I just try the beans? Because I really want to try the bean flavors. Alright, screw the tongue twister. I'm not doing that anymore. Blueberry or toothpaste? Let's do this. How is toothpaste a bad flavor? I mean, toothpaste tastes good. That's why you friggin' brush your teeth with it. Toothpaste. It's like a mint. How is this considered a bad flavor? Licorice or skunk spray? Oh, wow. Okay, now it doesn't taste the best, but I still... Oh, my breath! Oh! I gotta brush my teeth again. That is gross tasting. Oh my goodness. Alright, this one is either terrible corn or moldy cheese. What the hell? It's disgusting. Juicy pear or booger. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. what that was. The skunk spray is still in my mouth, and I can't taste anything other than that, so... Coconut or baby wipes? This can't be that bad. Baby wipes. It doesn't taste that bad. It tastes like it smells, so... I don't know why people overreact to that. Alright, so this one is, sticky socks or teddy fruit. Either way, they sound pretty bad. Oh my goodness! I almost freaking threw up. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, I want to get a rotten egg one to see what that tastes like. Oh man, I almost threw up. I had the reflex going on. Okay, butter popcorn or rotten egg again. Give me a rotten egg. I want to taste it. Holy crap! I actually threw up! How do you make it taste so bad? I gotta get rid of the flavor. I gotta get rid of it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is the worst one yet. Oh, my eyes are watering, it's so bad, okay? I can't believe I threw up. I don't even want to look at it. Okay, here we go. Canned dog food can't be that bad. I mean, dogs eat it, okay? It's not that bad. Okay, the last one is barf. I really don't want to eat it. I really don't want to eat it. I actually threw up. Like, I didn't think that was even going to be possible. I thought people just overreacted. Oh my goodness, that... It triggers your gay reflex, okay? Here's peach or barf. I think this better not be barf. This better not be barf. Actually, wait, it should be barf. I want to taste it. Peach, good. I should give these to my parents. That's a Halloween gift. Alright. Here's another peach or barf. You didn't even give me that many. There's only like freaking 2 left. There's like 3 left in here. And I haven't gotten it yet. Are you kidding me? It's barf. Well, it doesn't taste that bad. Barf does not taste that bad. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for 50,000, well now we're at like 60,000 family members, and it has been absolutely amazing. I hope you guys liked this video. I'm sorry if it was a little bit too graphic. I honestly never thought that I would get sick from doing this, but I did. And with that being said, if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, pause and share with a friend if you do, subscribe to the family today, and I'll see you guys next time.